Hi, my name is Greg. I'm from New Jersey, but I currently reside in Atlanta. I actually did a 150K combine with OneUp Trader. I passed that back in April. I'm also currently in the process of doing a 50K combine right now. I would say my trading approach is defined as I pretty much like to trade support and resistance. I like to find where support is or find where resistance is. I like test and retest. Those are basically my strategies. What draws me to OneUp? The thing I love about them is that it is a simple one-step process. Once you pass your evaluation or combine, you're placed into a performance account, and then there's no more fees. So I love that. You're also able to draw on your gains immediately. So there isn't any 10-day windows or 30-day windows like a lot of these other prop firm companies that make you, have to trade a certain amount of days. Like the way they do it is basically once you hit, a certain amount above your trailing drawdown, you can begin receiving payments immediately. The thing I love about it also was I submitted for payment in the morning and I received it that same day. I want to say like around 4:30, 5 o'clock when business closed. So my experience with them has been always top notch. The customer service is always on point. Anytime I go online, I get in the chat box. There's a person there to reply back to me, resolve any issues that I've ever had. There were no hidden fees. Like I said, once I paid for my evaluation, I passed it. There were no other fees. Once you're in the performance account, they do let you know like certain rules and certain things. And if you do happen to do one of those rules, they will give you a warning, and let you know. I think those are the biggest things I think that differentiates OneUp from a lot of these other firms that are out there.